Hey there everyone! In this quick guide and easy tutorial, I'll show you the best graphic settings for FC26 if you're using a low-end PC or laptop. First, I made a picture here, so I'll just show you to you guys. Right here, look at that. There you go. Boom. Look at that, Bellingham on the upper right corner. But anyways, first, open up the game settings menu and go to the video or graphic settings. Just go ahead and follow all these steps and I'll narrate for everything, okay? Next, set the display mode to full screen for best performance. If you're using a window, it has a lot of delay, so make sure to put it on full screen. Next, lower your resolution right over here, if needed, and change the overall graphics quality to low. What worked best for me, and I turned down the resolution like 1680 by whatever. Just go ahead and turn down the resolution. Trust me, it'll work. Then turn off your demanding effects like anti-aliasing, motion blur, ambient occlusion, or depth of field. That will really help. Trust me. All right. So the next step is disable heavy effects right here. I just said that, whatever. So you should also lower your crowd quality, grass quality, and shadow quality to improve your FPS even more. After that, set your frame rate over here to unlimited, all right? Or 60 FPS if you want more stable experience. It's really up to you, but that doesn't really affect any FPS. It's only a little bit, okay? After that, save your settings, restart your game, and you should really notice a smoother gameplay with less lag and higher FPS. If this video helped you out, that's actually really it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more quick and easy gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.